If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe down below. Give me 2 thumbs up. We're having a fail day today. One of these days, you'll break me. Hey, what's up, my beautiful beer drinkers? Yes, I called you beautiful today because today we are going to review, boom, Belching Beaver's Good Morning Beautiful. So we're all beautiful today and we're going to drink this beautiful beer. Welcome back to It's Stout You. It's me. I'm your Brewstress Roman. Like I said, today we are trying Belching Beaver out of San Diego. Good Morning Beautiful. It's their collab beer with the DefTones. I'm really excited about this. It's a brown ale with coconut, coffee, and maple syrup. These are a few of my favorite things. How can you go wrong with it, right? So let's go ahead and crack this sucker open and give it a taste. Ooh. Very excited to try this. All right, so as always, we're gonna go ahead and smell it in the can and smell it in the beer. Oh my God, woman, can you talk today? We're gonna go ahead and smell it out of the bottle. Ooh, I can definitely smell the coconut. That's for sure. All right, here we go. Yes, please. That's nice. Let's see. So, it's a brown ale. Obviously, it is a beautiful dark brown. Tiny bubbles. I'm trying to look, and it's a hazy brown. If that is even anything. Tiny bubbles. That head didn't last too long, so it wasn't very foamy. I like that. I hate when you have to wait forever for the head to go down. That's what she said. Definitely a good coconut smell right off the top. Okay, so like I said, it's a brown ale. It's very light. It's not heavy like your porters and your stouts. You definitely get hints of coffee. The coconut is a very big, heavy hitter in this beer. I'm not really tasting the maple syrup, but it does have like a sweetness factor to it, so I'm guessing that's the maple syrup. It is really light. I don't know, I think I was maybe expecting a heavier drink, but this is lovely. I would say Good Morning Beautiful. It's a beautiful beer. I do like the bottle. It's okay, can't see in between my fingers, but the bottle is really cool. I love the artwork on it. It's like a tattoo almost. Read this label aloud each day because beer is beautiful and so are you. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. I'm going to sit here and drink this. I'm going to say, Belching Beaver, you did good. This is nice. I would definitely drink this again. I actually bought a couple bottles, so I will be able to not only enjoy this one, but enjoy some more. Okay, guys, give me a thumbs up on the video. Click subscribe down below. We're going to keep drinking beer on the internet together. Thanks for stopping by and watching this short review of Good Morning Beautiful Belching Beaver. All right, guys, until next time. Cheers.